Consider the kinetic data given in the following table for the reaction A plus B plus C that gives product. So as you can see, this table is given in the question. So the rate of the reaction for A is 0.15 mole Dm minus 3, then for B is 0.25 mole Dm minus 3, and for C is 0.15 mole Dm minus 3, and is found to be y into 10 raised to the power minus 5 mole dm to the power minus 3 is to the power minus 1. The value of y is. Let's move on to the solution. So from the question in the table given, we can compute these four equations. Then from the equation 1 and 2, we get y is 0. From equation 1 and 2, after dividing, we get z is equal to 1, and from equation 1 and 4, we get x is equal to 1. So after that we will use rate law, that is equal to r is equal to k of a to the power 1, b to the power 0, c to the power 1. So after that we will put the values. So we will get the k as 3 into 10 raised to the power minus 3. So rate is equal to r, that is equal to 3 into 10 raised to the power minus 3 into 0.15 to the power 1 into 0.15 to the power 1. That would come out as 2 to 5 into 3 into 10 raised to the power minus 7. So we get y is equal to 6.75.